If you work in finance in the not-for-profit sector, you will find that SunSystems Cloud from Lake is the ideal financial management platform to streamline processes and transform reporting. It is a comprehensive solution for financial management, purchase-to-pay, AP automation, budgeting and forecasting, integrations and reporting. Let's look at some key highlights. Firstly, reporting. Give every manager up-to-the-minute access to key performance metrics from across your organization. Dashboards can be tailored to the specific needs of different users. They encourage ownership and understanding of systems and processes. And dashboards promote efficiency by providing a focal point for information, navigation, and problem resolution. The income and expenditure dashboard is for budget holders. It can display, for example, an overview of expenditure by dimensions of your choice. In not-for-profit, this could be expenditure by cost center, property, project, or fund. This dashboard is dynamic and includes filters for period and cost center. You can expand on any of the charts or tables. And from there, you can drill down to view the detail that lies behind headline figures. A finance manager might use this powerful reporting tool to monitor, for example, movements on restricted or unrestricted funds or spend by project. And SunSystems Cloud ensures that any data presented in reports and dashboards is accurate, up to date, and can be presented clearly and concisely to key stakeholders. The second area I would like to highlight is purchase-to-pay. SunSystems Cloud from Lake streamlines the purchasing process and improves control of spend through intelligent workflows and approvals, ensuring you have more money left to spend on your core aims. Click on the Purchasing button to view the status of purchase orders. The range of purchase orders displayed depends on your permissions. The P2P dashboard is your starting point for inquiries. Click through to view the detail of each purchase order. The P2P dashboard is also your starting point for the creation of purchase requests, receipts, and supplier invoices. Click on the appropriate button to raise a new order. The solution is intuitive. It guides you through the process of order creation. It ensures accurate coding of transactions and ensures that all purchases are approved in accordance with procedures laid down by your organization. And SunSystems Cloud will also streamline the processing of accounts payable invoices and credit notes. It uses machine learning to automate the capture of data from inbound documents before validating and submitting them for payment. The third area I would like to highlight is budgeting and forecasting. SunSystems Cloud from Lake streamlines all stages of the budgeting process, from creation, review, collation, through to approval. It improves visibility of budgeting by keeping managers up to date with the status of submissions and alerting them to tasks requiring action. Flex the budget to examine different scenarios by adjusting parameters for inflation, income, or say, exchange rates. Click on the Analysis button for a high-level view of your organization's budget. Filter by department and period to drill down to see what lies behind these headline figures. The fourth area I would like to highlight is document management. This opens up a centralized document repository without the need for any third-party software. Users can securely store documents against transactions, like purchase invoices, or against static records like customers, suppliers, or fixed assets, while ensuring that rules governing any permissions around document access are always enforced. Document management enables organizations to store and retrieve in-context information to use with SunSystems functions, such as supporting documents for ledger postings or contracts against supplier records. Fifth in our tour of SunSystems highlights is analysis power. SunSystems is renowned for its analysis flexibility. User-defined account and analysis structures allow you to analyze financial, statistical, and other business information using dimensions of your choosing, such as entity, cost center, project, fund, and person. Analysis is easy to set up and does not result in a long and complicated chart of accounts. Another feature of SunSystems that is evidence of its analysis power is with multi-entity accounting. In SunSystems, there are two ways to account for entity. The first is by setting up each entity as a separate business unit. This is the recommended approach where entities across the group have different chart of accounts or different year ends. Business Unit 1 could be a UK charity. Business Unit 2 could be a trading entity and so on. And you may set up a further business unit to support consolidation of all entities. The second method to account for multiple entities is to allocate an analysis dimension to hold entity code, and then to mark every transaction with the entity whose books it belongs in. This approach is highly efficient and ideal for groups in which all entities share the same year and chart of accounts. If you have used SunSystems before, then the chances are you will already be a fan of InfoQuery and Analysis, Q&A. With SunSystems Cloud, this powerful ad hoc reporting and data send tool is fully integrated into your rich Microsoft Excel client, as well as Excel Online in a browser. Leverage the analysis power of SunSystems to produce reports for all stakeholders, including managers, trustees, funding partners, company's house, HMRC, and regulators. Reports can be produced quickly and easily, using wizards that understand your SunSystems data out of the box. Once created, reports can be refreshed at the click of a mouse to reflect data from, say, a new period. The last feature of SunSystems I would like to highlight is integration. With SunSystems Cloud, you can connect all your front and back office systems. Integrate financial management with systems for fundraising, payroll, banking, membership, human resources, and many more. Speak to your Lake Customer Success Manager for details. Thank you for watching this short introduction to the Lake Not-for-Profit solution based on SunSystems Cloud. To help you in your evaluation, we provide a range of guides. A buyer's guide for a realistic estimate of the investment needed to implement SunSystems Cloud tailored for the not-for-profit sector. A beginner's guide for not-for-profit. And an implementation guide. Links are in the description. Thank you.